ArmaKontrol Mobile Road Blocker. Here's a handy tool for setting up temporary checkpoints. The Mobile Road Blocker. It's easy to transport and install, needing just 4 wheels and 2 jacks. You don't have to drill into the road, it sits on the ground. The advanced version is quite light at 2.2 tons, making installation quick, taking only a few minutes. It links up with GSM and RFID systems, letting security guards open it with cards or key fobs. The standard size is 0.9 by 4 meters, but you can get custom versions too. It opens in 4 to 6 seconds and can be powered by solar, battery, or electricity. It won a top award for being a reliable security barrier.